Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Realme 13 Pro Plus. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new update, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of this Realme device and receive right next to Send at the bottom of Realme 13 Pro Plus. Go back to Realme device and using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!